How to clean Hoka shoes. In today's DIY, I will go over how to clean Hoka shoes. Are you serious about running? And do you complete marathons for fun? If yes, you are sure to have a pair of Hoka shoes. While it is true that these shoes are more likely to get dirty and prone to wear and tear than other shoes, it is also true that you can clean them easily. They are not very sensitive like many other types, which makes it an easy task to clean them with simple ingredients. The dust, mud and dirt collected on your Hoka shoes can be easily removed with the help of some easy methods mentioned in this article. Take a look, and you will definitely thank us later. Next time, when your Hoka shoes get so dirty that they resemble the mudguards on your bikes, you will still have nothing to worry about, as you can implement one of these methods to get them back to looking as new as before, using only a shoe cleaner, soap and water. Are you surprised that your extremely dirty Hoka shoes can get back to becoming sparkling clean with just 3 simple ingredients? Shoe cleaner, soap and water. You are sure to be thrilled at the simplicity of this method. Firstly, you have to remove the shoelaces and the insoles from the Hoka shoes. While shoelaces are prone to dust, the insoles are prone to sweat, moisture from the feet and other stains. So, you have to separate from the shoes. Wash the shoelaces and insoles thoroughly by soaking them in a solution of water and liquid detergent for 10 minutes and rinsing them thoroughly in cold water. You can also wash them in the washing machine. Please remember you can only wash your shoelaces or insoles in the washing machine. You cannot wash the soft and delicate Hoka shoes in the washing machine. When you do this, the shape of the shoes will get distorted easily. If your insoles are very dirty, you can do this instead of soaking them in a detergent solution. Make a thick paste of detergent and water. Use water sparingly. Apply this paste on the insoles. Use a soft bristled toothbrush to scrub the paste all over the insoles. Scrub very well until all the dirt marks have gone. Rinse in cold water, or use a clean cloth to wipe them clean. Let the insoles dry completely. Use a shoe brush or a soft bristled toothbrush to get rid of the dirt accumulated in the outer part of your Hoka shoes. Be gentle with this process, as scrubbing too hard may cause damage to the fabric of the shoes. For fresh mud stains, you need to wait for a while until the stains dry completely, before you brush them off. For the mud and dirt marks still remaining on the shoes, it is now time to rinse them with a soapy solution. For this, mix a few drops of liquid detergent in a bowl of cold water, dip a shoe brush or soft bristled toothbrush in this solution and brush the stained parts of the Hoka shoes. As we told you earlier, be gentle while rubbing over these marks. Keep scrubbing thoroughly but gently to get rid of all the dirt marks that have been set on the shoes. Now, use a clean and dry cloth to wipe away the soapy residues from the shoes. Make sure to follow this step only when you are sure there are no more stains on the shoes. After the shoe is wiped clean of all the soapy residues, you should proceed to the next important step of drying the Hoka shoes. This process should be done with caution, because if the shoes are not dried properly, they can get damaged easily. Stuff some newspaper balls in the shoes before drying them. This helps the shoes to retain the shape of the shoes while they get dried. Always allow the shoes to dry in a place where there is natural air and enough ventilation. Don't keep them dry under direct sunlight, as the scorching rays of the sun can cause the shoes to dry up very easily. Now that they are clean, remember to maintain them properly by following these simple tips. Remember to scrub off the mud and other stains after every use. Always keep your Hoka shoes stored in well-ventilated areas only. When planning to use the shoes in watery areas, you could consider spraying good quality waterproofing spray over the shoes to avoid any damage to the fabric. The above steps work well for Hoka sneakers that you use for walking and running. When maintained properly, these shoes are long-lasting. The key is to be gentle while scrubbing them to not damage the fabric. However, when it comes to cleaning and maintaining Hoka suede shoes, the process is slightly different. Keep reading to know more about this. The DIY method of cleaning Hoka shoes. Apart from the steps mentioned above, you can also use a DIY cleaner to get rid of the mud and other stains from your Hoka shoes. Add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and 2 tablespoons of baking soda to a bowl of water. Scrub over the shoes in a circular motion to get rid of the mud stains completely. Use a clean cloth to wipe away all residues of the cleaning solution. Allow the shoes to air dry thoroughly before using them. Cleaning Hoka suede shoes. Suede is a gentle fabric. Therefore, you should be careful about the products you use for cleaning and maintaining them. Use a shoe brush, exclusively meant for suede, to get rid of the dust particles on the Hoka suede boots. Work gently in back and forth movements in this process. For stubborn mud stains, you can work the suede brushes on the shoes with a little bit of force. Always use a suede eraser only to get rid of the scuff marks that may not be removed with a suede brush. Give a nice finishing touch to the Hoka suede shoes by spraying good quality suede protector on them.